In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can hide divide by zero errors by using the if function. That's just one possible way you can do it. There are other methods. In fact, I posted a video a few years ago about using the if error function to be able to deal with divide by zero and other errors too. But it's always good to know more than one way to solve a problem. So today we're going to look at using the if function. So here we've got just a simple table here where we have year 1 sales, year 2 sales, and we've calculated the dollar change and the percent change. But for one of these items, since there were no sales in year 1, we inherently have a divide by zero error. No way we can avoid that. So no one wants to see an error message like that on a report, so we need to find some way to deal with it. So let's copy these down. And so we're going to edit or make a different formula here for our percentage change. So instead of just dividing D8 by B8, let's take that out entirely. And we're going to say equals if. And then, even though an if statement is fairly simple, I usually don't use the wizard for them. I'm going to use the function wizard to make it a little easier for you to follow along. So the first part is our logical test. And that's going to be, does cell B8 equals 0? And then value if true, this is where you've got to decide what you want to display. A lot of times I will just put in 2 quotation marks so that I will get nothing in there. If you wanted text always has to be in quotation marks, thus the 2 quotation marks if you want nothing. And maybe you would want to say new to indicate that this is a new product and therefore we can't calculate a percentage change. Or if you always wanted to show 0 as the percentage change on those products. I'll let you argue with the math nerds about whether or not it should show 0, but whatever you want to put in there, that's going to be the value if true. And then the value if false is simply our original formula. So that would be the dollar change divided by last year. Then when we fill that down, then we can see we no longer have our divide by zero error showing there. So that's it. That's all it takes to use an if function to hide divide by zero errors. Hope you find that useful.